In other news, a Lee County judge rules a case will go forward against a Marietta man charged with hitting and causing the death of a child as he got on a school bus.
Our Allie Martin was at today's preliminary hearing and has the latest.
During the hour-long preliminary hearing, Mississippi Highway Patrol troopers said eyewitnesses all reported that a school bus was stopped with its crossing arm extended, stop sign out, and all lights flashing when 22-year-old Hunter Newman's vehicle struck 9-year-old Dalen Thomas the morning of October 31st. Thomas, who was autistic and partially deaf, died later that day from his injuries. Newman is now charged with culpable negligence manslaughter. His defense attorney, Tony Faris, describes the incident as a, quote, perfect storm.
This is nothing but a tragic accident.
Faris requested the preliminary hearing, asking the court to decide if there was enough evidence for the felony charge his client faces. While Faris says he wasn't surprised Judge Sadie Holland sent the case to the grand jury, he says evidence will show his client was not negligent.
Mr. Newman was not under the influence of drugs or alcohol. He was not on his cell phone. And the question is, did the child dart out in front of him, and was the sign out from the school bus, and did Mr. Newman have an adequate amount of time to stop? We maintain that from the evidence that we heard today, the school bus driver, pursuant to the policies and procedures, are supposed to give a signal, a hand signal for a child crossing a lane of traffic to load on a school bus, and this school bus driver did not give that signal.
An attorney with the DA's office did not want to go on camera, but did say they feel they have a strong case against Mr. Newman. The next Lee County grand jury will meet in January. In Tupelo, Allie Martin, WCBI News.
And Newman is out of jail on bond.